Hi, so this is problem 5.3.B-7. It says choose the estimate closest to the temperature of a cold day in Minnesota, 10 degrees Celsius, negative 10 degrees Celsius, or 90 degrees Celsius. Choose the correct answer below. So let's take a look at these answers on the scale over here. We see that the right-hand side is for the temperature in degrees Celsius, and the left-hand side is in degrees Fahrenheit. If we find 10 degrees Celsius, and we match it up with Fahrenheit, that's about, 50, let's see, 48, 49, 50, yeah, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, would you consider that to be a cold day in Minnesota? Probably not. So we can narrow that down, cross that out. Okay, let's take a look at negative 90 degrees Celsius. Well, that doesn't even show up on the scale, but it's going to be way down here. If we take a look at negative 10, we can already see in degrees Fahrenheit that that's approximately 15 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cold. Negative 90, even though it doesn't show up here, you can imagine would be a lot less than that. You can kind of get an approximation. You do have a formula where you could convert it as well, but you can guess that that would be somewhere in the negative degrees, quite a ways down, which is not a temperature that you'd see in Minnesota. That would be extremely cold, but not a reasonable answer. And so we would go with answer choice B.